back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another part-time work-from-home job lead for you. Now, this one is going to be on the phone in customer service, but if you do not mind customer service, they are not requiring very much experience at all. Today's job lead is from the huge company Uhaul. They are hiring a remote work-from-home customer service agent. Now, this is for my United States folks only. As a part-time customer service agent, they're going to provide you with paid education, paid training. They're going to provide you with other career paths if you want to grow, and you do get some part-time benefits with this position. Now, they do say their customer service training is 3 to 4 weeks, and it includes 12 instructor-led concept courses. Now, these are done remotely online, but this is going to be a basic customer service position. They're looking for somebody to take incoming calls from customers and resolve their concerns, as well as assist with providing product knowledge and specialized support. They don't require any really experience at all. They're looking for someone who has intermediate keyboarding and computer skills, somebody who can type 50 words per minute, have great written and verbal communication skills, general knowledge of U.S. geography, and of course, if you can demonstrate some kind of core customer service skills, that is all that is needed. Now, one thing to note about this position is even though they're hiring within the United States, they're looking for someone to work in the Arizona time zone. They are open 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Arizona time. So you'll have to convert your hours to that and make sure that works for you. But again, this is a part-time position. They're looking for someone who can work minimum single shifts of 4 hours and be available at least 20 or more hours per week. They do require weekend work. Now, if that is something you're interested in, their base pay is $14 an hour, $15 if you happen to be bilingual. Now, if you go down below at the bottom of the job description, it lists all the computer equipment specifications that you'll need because, of course, you'll have to provide your own computer equipment for this position. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific you're looking for in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.